Are you a busy pro or parent looking for on-the-go fuel, yet without the mess? Here is one. We've all been there, right? You want a healthy snack, but you're on the go, and everything clean is either messy, requires a fridge, a microwave, or tastes like cardboard. Not anymore. I have spent some time in the kitchen perfecting a homemade muesli that is designed to be eaten dry. It's crunchy, it's nutrient dense, and it goes wherever you go. No milk? Who cares? We start off with the base using the hearty oats, which I have roasted slightly in the oven to make them crunchy. I have also roasted our next ingredient, which is almond and pumpkin seed. So we throw them in. Next up is walnuts with their earthy flavor having the signature of the brand. Here comes the buttery pecans. All these are superfoods. And the last but not the least is the humble flax seed, adding a punch of fibers and omega 3s. Now, our next step is to carefully mix all the ingredients together so that they are well combined. You don't want to hurry this part because you want every handful that you pick to contain nearly each of the ingredients. Now, see what you get. This is muesli evolved. No junk, no refined sugars. Just pure whole food energy that actually stays together. And hello to expectant mothers challenged with nausea. We have got your back. No more empty crackers that leaves you and your baby malnourished. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next